Okay, here's another episode of dumpster diving. This one's going to be a little bit different. This time I'm going to be showing you me taking some of my collection in to get cashed in for some money. Taking a long trip here to the scrapyard, so bear with me a second here. And here we go. A lot of traffic here today. Usually isn't too bad. Man, I don't know if I have time to be dealing with all this with my long trip I have. Looks like we got one more here coming from the left. We should be good to go. Yeah, we're off. And we're here. The long trip is over. Going in today to take in a collection of aluminum beer cans and whatnot that we have saved over some time, and just get some cash. There's my mother-in-law, Barb. She's the boss, no matter what anybody says. Bobby might claim different. That would be my father-in-law. I'm going to back over and put this dumpster I have here on the scale to get weighed. Show you that in a second. Here's what we're working with today. I have... What's going on, Jerry? How we doing? We got a 6-yarder here full of aluminum beer cans. This has a rotator built in, so we'll be able to empty this guy out. We gotta wait here and empty it. Alright, here we go. We got this all ready to empty out. Here we go. Money, 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 money. Alright, gotta get up here and move these around a little bit. Alright, we're all emptied out, scaled up. We had 340 pounds of aluminum cans that equated to 170 bucks. Not a lot of money, but hey, spending money, right? So, just goes to show every little bit counts. Until next time.